Did you know that simply swapping out a few animal-based products for plant-based alternatives can reduce your risk of heart disease by 30%? Let's dive into 10 easy plant-based swaps that can make a big difference in your health. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about small changes that can have a big impact on your health, specifically, plant-based swaps. Whether you're looking to reduce your meat intake, eat more sustainably, or just boost your overall wellness, these swaps make it easy to get started. By the end of this video, you'll have 10 plant-based swaps that you can add to your meals, helping you to eat better without sacrificing taste or enjoyment. Making healthier choices isn't always easy, right? Many of us struggle to give up foods we love or aren't sure where to start with healthier swaps. And let's face it, it can be hard to picture life without familiar ingredients like dairy milk in your coffee, meat in your main meals, or even eggs in baking. There's also the concern of finding plant-based alternatives that actually taste good and work in recipes we already know. Today, we'll show you some swaps that not only taste great but are also packed with health benefits. With these changes, adopting a plant-based diet doesn't have to mean giving up foods you love. It's all about making simple, practical choices that support your well-being. Alright, let's dive into the 10 plant-based swaps that can make a huge difference in your health. Here's a breakdown of each swap, why it's beneficial, and how to use it. Swap dairy milk with almond or oat milk. These plant-based milks are low in saturated fat and often fortified with vitamins like B12 and calcium. Use them in your coffee, smoothies, or cereal. Replace butter with avocado or olive oil. Avocado is rich in healthy fats and fiber, while olive oil is heart-healthy and can be used in cooking or baking. These alternatives are great for spreading on toast or sautéing veggies. Switch out eggs with flaxseed or chia seeds. Mix 1 tablespoon of flax or chia seeds with 3 tablespoons of water to make a vegan egg substitute. This works well for baking and is packed with fiber and omega-3s. Use jackfruit instead of pulled pork. Jackfruit has a texture similar to meat and can easily take on the flavor of marinades and sauces. It's perfect for tacos, sandwiches, and barbecue-style dishes. Opt for tempeh or tofu instead of chicken. Both are high in protein. It can be seasoned to suit any recipe. Tempeh has a firmer texture, while tofu absorbs flavors well in stir-fries and salads. Try nutritional yeast instead of cheese. Nutritional yeast has a cheesy flavor and is packed with B vitamins. Sprinkle it on pasta, popcorn, or salads for a healthy, cheesy taste. Replace ground beef with lentils. Lentils are an excellent source of protein and fiber. Use them in tacos, spaghetti sauces, and chili for a hearty, nutritious replacement. Swap mayo with hummus or mashed avocado. Both hummus and avocado provide a creamy texture without the saturated fat. Use them as a sandwich spread or salad dressing. Substitute honey with maple syrup or agave. Maple syrup and agave are natural sweeteners and can replace honey in baking or as a topping, making it vegan-friendly and full of antioxidants. Choose coconut yogurt or soy yogurt instead of dairy yogurt. Plant-based yogurts offer probiotics without the dairy. Use them in parfaits, smoothies, or with fresh fruit for a healthy breakfast option. Now, let's focus on one of the most impactful swaps, using lentils instead of ground beef. Lentils are a plant-based protein powerhouse, loaded with fiber and essential minerals, and they're much lower in saturated fat compared to beef. Not only are they more heart-friendly, but they also help regulate blood sugar levels and keep you full longer. One success story comes from a viewer who switched to lentil-based chili and tacos. They shared that not only did they feel more energetic, but they also noticed improvements in their digestion and even saw some weight loss without changing anything else. Small swaps like these can have a significant effect on your health over time, proving that you don't need to give up flavor or satisfaction to make healthier choices. To sum it all up, these 10 plant-based swaps are easy, delicious, and great for your health. From almond milk in your coffee to lentils in your tacos, each swap offers its own unique benefits. Incorporating more plant-based foods doesn't mean giving up the flavors or dishes you love. It's about finding simple, healthier alternatives that work with your lifestyle. And remember, these small changes add up, making a big impact on your overall wellness. Now, it's your turn. What's your favorite plant-based swap, or are there any you're excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more healthy tips, and check out our other videos on plant-based living. See you in the next one.